What's good, people? It's your boy Nova Real for the Nova Real Show. That's how we doing, Buffalo. I'm out here in this blizzard. Out here. At work. Rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Stuff got to be done. Stuff got to be done. Bills got to be paid. But if you out here, make sure that you dress right, that you prepared. Always got your mask on because the sickness and stuff going on here. Make sure you got your shovel in your car in case you got to get yourself out of a jam. And make sure ain't no people walking in the street because you don't want to hit nobody. Don't want to hit nobody. But like I said, certain jobs people got that you got to go out there and you got to do what you got to do. And I got one of them jobs. Got to help people out. Now you see, it's no joke out here. Look how the snow is up. All the way up. That's real. It's real out here. But like I say, dress safe. Gloves, hats, all that stuff on. Make sure you got a shovel in your car in case you get stuck. It's real out here, but bills gotta be paid. I gotta take care of the people. That's what I do. It's no joke out here. Anyway, be safe, people. Dress warm. If you see somebody stuck out there, help them out. Help them out. Brotherly love. Anyway, be safe out there, people. It's No Real for Nova Real Show. Gotta do what I gotta do. Bills gotta be paid. At work. Stay safe, stay warm.